So when these went down, what did you see, a spark of it, or did you actually see it tip over?
You could see it tip over, and I can still see debris flying through the air here. Unfortunately, it may have just hit a farm as well down here. And again, this just highlights the fact that you need to take these warnings very seriously today. You can see the rain curtains being pulled around the main tornado here. We should be in a safe spot here. The storm's moving northeast. We're probably a little more than a mile east of it.
Right.
Lee's got his foot near the accelerator in case we need to move, but
You guys are moving out.
Yeah.
Head south a little bit.
We're gonna